Okay, last video for the review looks at number 11 and number 12. Now in number 11 we're taking two binomials and we're multiplying them. So keep in mind you might want to use FOIL to do this one. Hit pause, go ahead and work it out. Okay, so I'm going to use the FOIL method. Remember FOIL stands for first, outside, inside, last. So the first terms are the 5x and the x. 5x times x is 5x squared. The outside terms are going to be 5x and 7. So that's 35x. The inside terms is negative 2 and x, which is negative 2x. The last terms are negative 2 and 7, which is negative 14. Now I need to combine this term and this term because they are like terms. So that's 5x squared plus 33x, a 35x and a negative 2x gives a 33x, minus 14. There's your final answer. Now for number 12, you're going to be doing something similar, only this time we're taking a binomial times a trinomial. So hit pause and try and work that one out. Okay, let's take a look at number 12 here. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to make sure I take this u by every term here. I'm going to multiply u times u squared. I'm going to multiply u times 2u. I'm going to multiply u times 5. So u times u squared gives me u to the third. U times 2u gives me 2u squared. U times 5 gives me 5u. Now I have to take the 3 and multiply it by every term in the trinomial. And when I multiply these, I want to write my answers underneath the corresponding like terms from when I took the u times all the terms in the trinomial. Take a look. I'm going to do 3 times u squared. That gives me 3u squared, which I'm going to write underneath the 2u squared. Then I'm going to do 3 times 2u, which gives me 6u, which I write underneath the 5u. Then I take 3 times 5, and that gives me 15. There were no other constant terms, so I write that underneath the end of the other ones. Now I combine my like terms. U to the third doesn't combine with anything. 2u squared and 3u squared gives me 5u squared. 5u and 6u gives me 11u plus 15. So there you have it. Hope you guys are ready for the test. It's going to be fun. See ya.